What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you some examples regarding adding and subtracting square roots that need some simplification. So the first one is 3 over 5 square root of 200 minus 3 over 4 square root of 128. Answer is 3 over 5. 200 is 100 times 2, which is 100 times square root of 2, 3 over 4. 128 is 64 times 2. So then it will be 3 over 5. The square root of 100 is 10. Root 2 minus 3 over 4. Square root of 64 is 8. Root 2. 3 times 10, 30 divided by 5 is 6. Root 2 minus 3 times 8 divided by 4 will be 6 root 2. So 6 root 2 minus 6 root 2 is going to be 0. Next example is 2 over 3 root 48 minus 3 over 4 root 12. Answer is 2 over 3. 48 is 16 times 3, so it's going to be square root of 16 times square root of 3 minus 3 over 4 square root of 4 times square root of 3. That will be 2 over 3. Square root of 16 is 4. Root 3 minus 3 over 4. Square root of 4 is 2 root 3. Then 2 times 4 divided by 3 is going to be 8 over 3 root 3 minus 3 times 2 divided by 4 is going to be 6 over 4 root 3. Then we need to have to collect the like terms like that, and then common denominator, which is going to be 12. 32 minus 18 root 3, which makes it 14 divided by 12 root 3. So it's going to be 7 divided by 6 root 3. Next example is 2 over 5 root 32 minus 1 over 3 root 8. The answer is 2 over 5. 32 is 16 times 2, and root 8 is 4 times 2, which will be 2 times 4 divided by 5 root 2 minus 2 over 3 root 2 makes it 8 over 5 root 2 minus 2 over 3 root 2. Then it would be 8 over 5 minus 2 over 3 root 2, which will be 15. 24 minus 10 root 2, and it's going to be 14 over 15 root 2. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.